A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking turn of events just before the 2025 Thanksgiving holiday, news broke that Bruna Ferreira, a 33-year-old Boston area resident, has been taken into custody by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. The case has drawn significant attention due to Ferreira's familial connection to Caroline Leavitt, the White House press secretary. Ferreira shares an 11-year-old son with Leavitt's brother, Michael, who has reportedly raised the child full-time in New Hampshire since the couple's separation nearly a decade ago. This revelation has sparked widespread interest and concern about the implications of Ferreira's detention, particularly given her ties to a prominent political figure in the current administration. Bruna Ferreira migrated to the United States from Brazil as a child and was raised in the Boston area. She was apprehended by ICE agents on November 12, 2025, while picking up her son from school. Eyewitness accounts describe a chaotic scene as her vehicle was surrounded by agents, leading to her immediate arrest. According to her attorney, Todd Pomerleau, Ferreira has maintained a clean record and disputes claims made by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, that label her as a criminal illegal alien. The DHS has stated that Ferreira entered the U.S. on a B-2 tourist visa that expired in 1999 and has a prior arrest for battery, which her attorney contests. The White House has distanced itself from the situation, with administration officials confirming that Caroline Leavitt has had no involvement in her brother's ex-fiancé's legal troubles. While Leavitt has not publicly commented on the matter, sources close to the situation have indicated that she has not spoken to Ferreira in years. The child, Michael Leavitt Jr., has lived with his father since birth and has not resided with Ferreira. The case has raised questions about the treatment of individuals in the U.S. under immigration laws, especially those who may have previously qualified for protections such as the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals (DACA) program. Ferreira reportedly could have been eligible for DACA, which offers temporary relief from deportation for certain undocumented immigrants brought to the U.S. as children. However, DHS officials have emphasized that criminal records can lead to deportation, regardless of DACA status. As Ferreira's situation unfolds, her family is rallying support. Her sister, Graciela dos Santos Rodriguez, has launched a GoFundMe campaign to assist with legal fees, which has already raised over $20,000. In her plea for help, Graciela described the family's distress over Bruna's detention and their efforts to keep her in the country she has called home for nearly her entire life. She emphasized Ferreira's commitment to building a stable life in the U.S. and her compliance with immigration regulations throughout her time here. The unfolding story not only highlights personal struggles, but also reflects broader issues surrounding immigration policy and enforcement in the United States. As the political landscape continues to evolve, the intersection of personal lives and public policy remains a topic of critical importance. The implications of Ferreira's case could resonate beyond her individual circumstances, potentially influencing public opinion on immigration reform and the treatment of families caught in the crossfire of stringent immigration laws. With the political backdrop of the White House and the ongoing debates surrounding immigration policy, this case is likely to remain in the spotlight as it develops. As of now, Bruna Ferreira remains in custody in Louisiana, with her fate hanging in the balance as her family and supporters fight for her rights and a chance to remain in the country she has long considered home. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.